This video's purpose, I just finished installing the new replacement Chevy LT1 high torque starter on my Buick 455 motor. I also cut the frayed or damaged wires, especially the wire to the exciter bolt on the starter. I soldered a replacement in upstairs with a good connector, soldered that as well. I just crimped it into the existing wiring, bolted the starter up with the wires. I'm going to turn the key. I hope I wired it correctly. If I turn the key, I say in the open position without starting the motor, if it tries to start, that means I wired the starter incorrectly. All right, fuel. Okay, turn the ignition. That happens when I disconnected the battery with the battery cutoff switch. Also, when I've had starter issues in the past, a couple of weeks ago as well, when I go to start the car, the radio comes on like it did now, as if the battery was cut off. But it wasn't. I'm just saying. Okay. Let me check my battery. I'm gonna pause this, get the multimeter. Yeah, the battery is reading 11.65 volts. Prior to this issue, it was 1186, and the car starts fine with 1186 DC voltage. So, dang, I wish another person were here. I can't stretch this out at this point. I wanted it to show as I was starting. You know what? I think I can read it through like that. Just want to see if the voltage, how much the voltage drops. Yeah, it's 1165 still. 1162. Let me see if I can zoom in. 1158. See that? Yeah. Battery needs to be charged. I'm gonna do that. It's dragging. And I did put back the spacer, the shim, I'm sorry, that was under the starter to begin with. Yeah, I'm gonna put the battery on the charger, because this is not good enough. So anyway, that's about it. So far so good. It seems like the starter is fine. It actually wants to start, but it's the voltage. All right, I'm gonna take a break and I'll give you guys an update later. God bless you and the entire family. Peace and love, and have a great week remainder. I'm out.